where knowledge is actually power. It is those who laid the foundations for this today's society who have got to be reviewed. And every Goenka who has been a very illustrious Goenka, who has laid the foundations for Goa having one of the highest per capita education levels in the country, need to be remembered. And it is very nice that Kabir has taken this initiative to remember his own grandfather, who happened to be Goa's first director of education. As the mayor has said, that we need to create a model based on knowledge economy. They say that the future will be, the economy will be a knowledge economy. Now to have a knowledge economy, you need to create a scenario wherein the top educational institutions of the world come to Goa and are hosted in Goa. I think the government in this regard is doing some steps have been initiated by the government. We are shortly going to have the IIT here. The NIT is already here. There is a need to get in foreign universities and make the private sector invest in them.
Mr. Philip Pin was the first education director of Goa. He laid the foundation for education, and that's why we are in a strong footing. But still, I have to tell the discipline minister that still we have to do lots for education, lots. We have to forget about mining. This should be the hub. Goa should be the hub of education, like you find Manipur. Manipur is like a city in its own. It has got colleges, it has got the best of the restaurants, and you see students from different parts of the world coming in, taking their education in Manipur. Like Münster in Germany, which is a hub of education for students from the world. Goa should tap as a hub for education.
Participating in a number of tournaments over the years, right from cadets to sub-juniors, juniors, men's, and I went all over town, I went all over this thing, even representing my state once. So that's why I thought the best way to keep my granddad's name alive, his heritage, the legacy, was to start a tournament in his name. And I'm sure it will carry on for years.